Okay, guys, so if you have seen my previous videos, I've talked about this, I think the past couple daily results where we are working with COTP, Cryptos OTC Trading Platform, and how we can potentially earn over 3% daily with how this program is structured. Now, if you've seen my review video or my other videos where I just go over daily how this process works, we are coming into this site, cotps.com. It's an exchange arbitrage system using the stablecoin USDT TRC20. And coming here, how to earn, I've done a video where it's more of a manual process. And about every 2 hours, we have opportunities throughout the day to come into this transaction hall, click this order button here, and place some sell trades and confirm those, rinse and repeat, and do that every 2 hours. Now, that is definitely still a thing. You can go in here and manually earn. However, okay, listen up, please. If this is the first time, or maybe you want a repeat of this, for those who are joining my team, I will free of charge offer a way for you guys to do this on an automated level. Now, what that means is instead of coming in here every 2 hours, I have a guy that I'm working with and his developer, and we're constantly putting out new updates, versions whenever needed. So for those who are on my team, you will need a virtual private server or a VPS. I have instructional guides. There's support from other team members as well. If you guys want me to help you with this, then I'll charge a small fee just because there are a ton of you guys, and there's only one of me. So it's free of charge. You will need a $1,000 account balance, okay? It's not going to be for everybody. I just want to make sure that people don't come in with nothing in their account and freeload off of this and then bounce, okay? I want to make sure you guys are serious, that you're here to stay, and I'm here to support you guys. So this automated system, I'm going to show you what exactly this is doing and how it's going to make your life so much easier, because right now this system, it's not bad, right? And I'm not saying that I'm lazy. I'm just saying that there's a smarter way to do this with the technology that we have. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you here this script or this bot. I'm going to log into my VPS. We are going to kick it off, and it's going to run through automatically and start placing some sell trades and everything for us. And you will see how beneficial this will be for you and for your team. Okay, again, this is only for those who join in under my team. So if you have yet to do that, please use the link in the description, my registration link, to sign up. Reach out to me on Telegram. I'll give you all the instruction guides, the steps to join my groups and get access to this. So let's go ahead and move over to my VPS. Again, if this is foreign to you, there are guides that I have. There's a bunch of guides actually on YouTube how to set this up, but you're not going to be alone going into this. If we need to hold hands to walk you through to get set up, we definitely can. There are tons of others in the group that have done this. But anyway, let's hop over. So here is my VPS, and it's a virtual computer. It's always on. So I'm not using my local computer. I'm not using my phone. They don't have to be on. Okay, my computer that I'm using right now does not need to have internet, does not need to have power in order for this virtual computer to stay on. And that's why it's so important, because when you run an automated system like this, your computer always needs to be on. So you need to have a virtual computer, a VPS, for this to be sitting on and always up and running so it can continue to do its job 24/7, because COTP is an exchange crypto arbitrage system. It's a high frequency transaction algorithm that's built into it. Because we're using crypto, this is 24/7, guys, okay? 7 days a week, we are able to earn from this whole platform. So the potential here is just crazy. So I have this folder here, and it's super simple. All that's going to happen is I'm going to hit this run button, okay? This run file right here. And there's going to be some other configurations like this project file. This is where I edit my credentials, and so it can log in correctly. I have this running through two accounts. So one is for my wife, one is for me, but that's another bonus here. Like all this cool stuff, there's going to be different features coming out, so you guys are going to want to stay tuned keep in touch, join my team so you get access to this, okay? So I'm gonna hit run, it's gonna run through. If it meets a certain criteria, it's gonna start placing trades, okay? So it's built in with specific logic. It's not just going in as a dummy and just doing random stuff. So this is how it's been coded, and we're gonna go ahead and kick it off right now, and I'll explain a bit. So you can see here, this is where it's initiating Google Chrome. We're using a Windows VPS. So it's going to log in here. Okay, so it just logged into my account, and it's going to close. That pop-up is a recent fix, actually, because we had to adjust the code. And you can see here that it is now going to go through and um, I've got quite a bit in here, but it's going to go through and start placing these trades automatically. Okay, so I'm not doing anything. So you guys can understand the benefit here. We're taking a semi-passive project and we're making it passive. We're making it automated. And so this is the whole point of this. So I don't have to set alarms every 2 hours. It's going to keep going through my balance until it gets under $5, because at that point I can't place any more trades. And then it's going to log out and log into my other account. If you just have one account, then it would finish all the transactions here, and then it would just log out, and it's going to check again based off of how long you want it to check. So if you want it to check every 2 hours, which is roughly 2 hours, 10 minutes, 2 hours, 15 minutes is when your transaction balance comes back into your wallet balance to start placing more trades. You can configure that setting. So this is currently how it works. Again, automated. I've been talking to you guys this whole time as it has been running through. Really cool stuff, guys. If this is your first time seeing something like this on an automated level, welcome to the club. It's a pretty cool world out there when you check out technology and what it can do for us. So again, those who join my team, you'll get access to this. You can see it just logged into my other account here, and that's going to run through and check to see if there is anything in my wallet balance. And if there is, if it's under if it's over $5, so you can see I've got $2.80. If it's over $5, then it will place a trade if the transaction value is also zero. So I have this coded a specific way, so we are, nothing happens to our funds. We can move forward safely based off of the intel that I have with how this should be structured. So if your transaction balance is zero, meaning you don't have any balance in you don't have any trades going on, sorry, and you have your wallet balance above $5, then it is going to go through and place those sell transactions. So for this account, since I have a bunch of trades in, it's actually not going to place any transactions. So you can see here it's going to move over. I've got 99 bucks in the transactions, but because of that, it's going to close out, and then it's going to say here waiting for 300 seconds. That's 5 minutes. So I have this set checking every 5 minutes. If that criteria is met, where the wallet balance is over $5, the transaction value is zero, it's going to go through and place those trades. It's going to loop through until my wallet balance is under $5, and then it's going to come back to this page and check again in another 5 minutes. So roughly 2 hours, 13, 15 minutes is when all of my transactions come back to my wallet balance, and this will kick off. So we are working to have a little bit smarter check time when this checks, and some other cool enhancements here. Again, only for those who join my team. So it's pretty cool stuff, guys. And that's about it. So I just wanted to cover the automated portion of this, what is out there, what you guys will be able to get access to. This platform is kicking off, so don't wait too long. Get in here, reach out to me if you have questions or concerns. I want to make sure you guys are coming in at a comfortable level. So if this is the project for you, great, I will help you out. And if not, there's other projects out there. And there's other projects that I'm currently in as well. So it's not just this. So there's other stuff out there, but this one so far has been doing a pretty good job. So with that, guys, I will catch you later.